Candell showed us that memory formation involves biochemical changes occurring at the synapse. Hopefully, at this point, you've already read some of that material about his famous research on the snail. And later on, Donald Hebb came along and argued that cells that fire together wire together. This is the idea that the synaptic connections between different neurons can be strengthened if they tend to fire together more often. Okay, this is that famous doctrine, neurons that fire together wire together. They tend to be more connected. A long-lasting increase in the strength of synaptic connections is called long-term potentiation, or sometimes just LTP. Okay, this means strengthening. Potentiation means strengthening, and that we know that when synaptic connections are becoming stronger, the neurons are better able to communicate with one another. Now, why are we talking about this and why is this important? Well, this long-term potentiation, or LTP, is a biological mechanism or means by which the brain is encoding experience and forming memories. Okay, this is on a brain level what's going on with learning and memory. The ability to form long-term memories depends on the strengthening of synaptic connections between neurons in different brain circuits. Okay, so this is sort of the brain side behind learning and memory. Many scientists believe that the process of LTP is critical for converting short-term memories into long-term memory. How are synaptic connections strengthened? Well, practicing and rehearsing material can lead to strengthening of connections between different neurons. Okay, so you should be familiar with this doctrine, cells that fire together wire together, and LTP is sort of a biological means by which learning and memory occur in the brain.